My name is Marci Klein, and my company is Klein Creative Media. I used to be a TV director, was a different career ago, but now I have a video production company right here in Redondo Beach, Klein Creative Media.
So for starters, what is your favorite time of day?
My favorite time of day is morning because I come to the office and I'm early and I'm the only one here and I have a little bit of time to get my creative groove on.
Nice. What would you say your biggest weakness is?
Oh gosh, almonds. I get really hungry in the middle of the day and I'm hungry. Bro, that I don't like carrying the gear anymore. Yeah, I don't like carrying the gear. I like my team to carry the gear. I'm a little spoiled when it comes to that.
Biggest strength?
Biggest strength, I think storytelling and working with clients. I think I really I love interconnecting with people and, building relationships.
Favorite quote?
I love surfing, and my favorite quote is, surfing is like pizza. Even when it's bad, it's good.
What's something that makes you angry?
My husband.
Advice you wish you could give up?
Okay, coffee. I wish I could give it up, but there's no way I'm giving it up. Never. I'll have 10 cups of coffee all day long. I love it.
What are you most excited about these days?
Oh, the weekends, when I get to go surfing and go hang out at the surf club and do stuff on the beach and kind of refuel my creativity. Best compliment is when people have complimented me about my achievements, Oh my God, you surf? Oh my God, you fly a plane? You're a badass. And I'm like, yeah, I like that.
Sweet or savory?
Savory for sure.
Something people don't know about you.
They might not know that I actually take a lot of pride in the community and I do a lot of volunteer work.
When do you feel most like yourself?
I feel most like myself in the office, in the production office. I do feel very much like myself. I feel like it's home here.
3 things you can't live without.
Surfing, I can't live without surfing. Can't live without bread dipped in olive oil and balsamic vinegar. And my husband's margaritas. He makes the best spicy margarita with jalapeno and cucumber.
Favorite book character?
I'm reading this book right now. It's about mermaids. But I met this author in Manhattan Beach. My favorite author is Stephen King. You want to hear something cool? I met Stephen King and got to interview him one time. I directed an episode of Celebrity Jeopardy. I got to interview Stephen King. It was like a highlight of my career.
Let's see. What's the most adventurous thing you've ever done?
I was working on this TV show and the host of the show got injured. And what he was supposed to do is he was supposed to go skydiving and he couldn't go because he was injured. So they had to change the whole context of the story and make it about a beginner, like a first-time skydiver, and what their experience is. So I got to be on camera and I got to go skydiving twice.
Diamonds or pearls?
Diamonds for sure.
First thing you notice about people?
Their smile.
Something you regret?
Not buying a house in Hermosa Beach. Regret that. My husband regrets it worse, his decision.
Card game?
Gin rummy. Super fun to play gin rummy on vacation by the pool.
Favorite place to be?
My favorite place to be is any beach.
Ooh, what makes you feel accomplished?
When I work with a client and they give me the thumbs up that they love the video.
How do you start your day?
I get up and I exercise. Yeah, exercise, and then I take my dog for a walk.
Favorite holiday?
Maybe Mother's Day. Yeah, because then I get to do, my husband always does something really nice for me, my kids, and then my kids actually spend time with me.
Brains or beauty?
Oh, brains for sure.
Who would you like to switch lives with?
Selma Hayek, because I interviewed her one time, and I just thought she was the coolest chick ever, and she's a movie star, and I think that'd be kind of fun to be a movie star.
Best vacation you've ever been on?
I've been on vacation in Costa Rica.
Cool. A city you've always wanted to travel to?
Probably Sydney, Australia.
Something you never travel without?
Never travel without my passport.
Favorite food or favorite snack?
Cheese and crackers.
Ooh.
I love gourmet cheese, like a good charcuterie board.
A movie that makes you cry, if any?
Avatar. Avatar's
the
my
first
favorite
one?
movie. The love story is so powerful. I think it did make me cry the first time.
Are you confrontational?
Oh yes, I'm confrontational. I mean, I'm very reasonable and open to listening, but if something happens, I will definitely confront in a nice way, but definitely very direct. I like to resolve things pretty quick.
What is a talent that you wish you had?
I wish I was a guitar player. I actually have a guitar. I bought one, but I do not play well at all. I'm terrible, but I would love to be a musician.
Ooh, an artist you love listening to?
Carlos Vive. He's a Spanish artist. He's so good.
Do you wish you had any superpowers?
If I had a superpower, I'd want to fly.
Something you don't want to be doing in 10 years.
I don't want to be working in 10 years.
Oh, what's the cutest thing on earth?
The cutest thing on earth is Dash. My baby right here.
Best thing that's happened this year so far.
Oh, the best thing that's happened so far this year is my opportunity to travel to Portugal to investigate retirement
Ooh.
areas.
What is a movie that makes you laugh?
Anchorman.
Will Ferrell is in.
Oh yeah, my favorite actor, like any movie that Will Ferrell is in, makes me laugh. For some reason, I think Will Ferrell is the funniest guy on the planet.
My favorite is Eurovision. Ooh, what is usually for dinner?
Oh, for dinner? Eat my go-to spaghetti. Yeah, spaghetti is a really easy go-to.
Yeah.
A weird thing that I make that my grandma told me how to make is called hamburger pie, but it's yummy. I make really good homemade Chinese pepper steak. Well, Trader Joe's is for dinner a lot, but I don't feel like cooking, Trader Joe. And tacos are a good runner-up.
Favorite color?
I'm gonna say blue is my favorite color. Turquoise, I guess blue and turquoise blue.
Describe living in LA in three words, or just South Bay.
Okay, we call it the South Bay bubble. Volleyball, surfing, partying.
Ooh, do you like surprises?
I do not like surprises, I'm very particular.
Vintage or new?
New vintage look.
Something you're tired of?
I am tired of having to do business paperwork. I have to renew certifications all the time for business.
What do you turn to when you're sad?
When I'm sad, I turn to my baby dog, Dash, and I give him a hug, and he makes me feel so much happier. And of course, all my girlfriends. I got lots of girlfriends.
Ooh, a trend you'd like to see disappear forever?
Vaping, vape smoking, or cigarette smoking.
Least favorite food?
I don't like fish.
Okay, it's 4 p.m. on a random Saturday. What are you doing?
Sitting on the back of my boat, getting a suntan, having a cocktail.
Ideal date.
My husband's the ideal date.
What are you doing tomorrow?
Breakfast in the morning, and then coming to work.
All right, well, that is all the questions we have for you today. Thank you so much.